In the name of Allah, the most munificent, the most benevolent, honored guests, respectable parents, venerable teachers, praiseworthy teachers, and admirable students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May and peace of Almighty Allah be on you. कहता हूँ वही बात, समझता हूँ जिसे हक, कहता हूँ वही बात, समझता हूँ जिसे हक, ना आबलाए मस्जिद हूँ ना तहजीब का फर्जन, अपने भी खफा मुझसे हैं बेगाने भी नाखुश, मैं ज़हरे हलाहल को कभी कह न सका कर. Dear audience, we have flocked over here with a view to celebrating the annual conference or function, speech competition and prize distribution ceremony. First of all, I cordially welcome you to this colorful program. I would like to present here some things, especially in context with my achievements had by me in the last 5 years. ZAC English Language Academy and School was born in 2006 because I felt that there was a room for improvement in the field of education. I felt that the English language was not taught properly here at Shahdadpur. Though there were very good schools there, academies were there, but still there was something unavailable. When I did my master's in English literature, I discovered that my English language was not up to the mark. When I used to watch English movies, my pronunciations were not good. Then I made up my mind to read the whole dictionary, Advanced Learner's Dictionary. And hence I rectified my mispronounced pronunciations which I had in my past. Therefore I launched ZAC English Language Academy with a view to improving not only the English of the citizens of Shahdadpur but also mine. And when I began my academy, by the grace of God, I had a very good response. Later on, I felt that there was also a need, a dire need for quality education. Because education is very compulsory. From worldly point of view and from religious point of view. If you have watched 3 Idiots, you must have comprehended its the basic theme. I haven't watched the 3 Idiots, but I tried to comprehend its theme. The theme is mindless memorizing over understanding. Means learning something without understanding. And Iqbal says, खुदा तुझे किसी तूफान से आशना कर दे, खुदा तुझे किसी तूफान से आशना कर दे कि तेरी बहर की मौजों में इसराब नहीं, किताब से तुझे हासिल नहीं फराग, कि तू किताब हाँ है मगर सारे किताब नहीं. You read books but you don't understand what they teach you. And the same thing is found here at Siddhartha. Many students come to me belonging to different schools, even belonging to different colleges, and even I have been teaching now the students of B.Ed and M.Ed also. Believe me, their level is very zero. They don't understand anything. They have no common sense. And the main purpose of education is to create common sense among people. Education guides you. It tells you the difference between right and wrong, bad and good, light and darkness. If there is no education, man is just like a social animal, as it has been said by Aristotle. And without education, we are nothing. We have got so many misconceptions in our mind that education is the sole source of earning money. Education is not for that purpose. Education gives you light. It tells you everything which a human being needs. Otherwise, I have seen so many people, aged 50, 60, 70, they are just like social animals. Education is very important. And without education, we cannot succeed either in this world or the life to come. As Allah in the Holy Quran says, those who know and those who do not know are not the same. They are not equal. Therefore, education is very important for everyone. So I try to give that education so that students understand what they are being taught in schools and in academy. And by the grace of God, we have been providing that quality education in our schools and academy. We teach our students with Urdu and Sindhi translation. Our students can translate what they learn in the English language. They know every word and its meaning. Most of the students do not know what they are saying and what they are learning. Because their learning is conditional. For example, as we were told that especially in class 9, there would be board exams. We didn't know what the board exams were. Because things were not clarified. Things were not explained. Everything should be explained. If we teach someone the English language, we must teach him with Urdu translation. Because we are not the English speaking people. We have got different languages. We speak English and we also speak Urdu, we also speak Sindhi, we also speak Saraiki in our mother tongue. Therefore, these two things were felt by me that there should be an English language academy that must teach the accurate English. And the second thing that students must be taught with understanding, with comprehension. Otherwise, they are nothing. Many students are there, they are bachelor, they are MA, but they don't understand anything. If you ask them the meaning of BA, MA, BCom, they won't reply to you. Because they don't understand what they are learning, what they are being taught in colleges. And the standard of education in front of you. The conditions are in front of you now. You can see our education standard now. Many factors are there. Many factors are there. Our government colleges, schools are empty. There are no teachers, lecturers. And our private schools are also not good, except for few. Those who are trying to give quality education to students. Therefore, it is very important to teach students with their mother tongue, especially in local languages, so that they must understand